What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. How do you pick up crumbs? Well, crumbs in your car, you're gonna need a vacuum. And I don't really have a good shop vac anymore, so I thought I'd pick this up because it was one of the cheapest ones I could find. It's by Stanley, which is one of the oldest names in cleaning supplies. And I thought I would check out what Stanley had to offer for about 50 bucks. So it's a little cheaper than a lot of the vacs out there. Comes with a big flexible hose here, kind of your standard hose end. And then what we have is the vacuum cleaner itself. Now, a couple of reasons I picked this up. One, it looked like it was kind of small, kind of R2-D2-ish shape. Ooh. And on top of that, it had like this stainless steel construction as opposed to just a regular plastic construction, which is more typical of the vacs that I've had before. Looks like we have an extension. This looks like just a regular tube extension. Looks like it comes with like 3 of them. Here, if we take a look at the vacuum cleaner itself, it looks pretty nice. You can see there are no wheels on the bottom. There are 4 feet, just kind of a big plastic ring. And again, it's not really wide. Now, it is a 4 horsepower wet to dry vac motor. And from what I could tell, that seemed to be pretty competitive. A lot of them were like 4 to 4.5 horsepower. And I really thought the compact size here at 4 horsepower was kind of interesting. Now, it does have a pretty long cord because when I was gonna start vacuuming my car here, I was a little worried, am I gonna have to get an extension cord? But I think the cord that is built on here is gonna be good enough for what I've got. Looks like maybe, I don't know, 10-footer, maybe. Plastic hardware up top here with a handle, and you can see here we have a threaded hole on the front, which is where the hose is going to attach here, and then this collar will tighten on. Now, I do see on the feet here, on the tops, we have little cutouts, and I think that's where you're going to put these attachments right in there, just like that. So you'll have them at ready access. Now I want to show you here, we have a big yellow power button right there, and this comes off, looks like 2 clamps on either side, just like that, and then this top lifts off. And you can see we have big paper filter here, and the ring is holding it on. Pull this ring off. Inside of it, it has like a foam filter lining. And then you can see the little cage there. The fan will see. Oh, more goodies. Inside we have kind of like your carpet brush attachment. Kind of nice. We have the little blade thin attachment for getting in those little crevices. Kind of a larger foot. Ooh, here are the 4 casters for making the thing mobile. And then looks like a vacuum bag itself if you wanted to, I think, attach this potentially directly to the end of the hose here. I'm kind of guessing somehow so that you could use it for collecting dust off the floor. So let me get this thing set up and then we'll try it out. All right, so I want to clean up my Maserati. Hit the power button here and let's go at it. As you can see here is lots of dirt, lots of stuff. Ooh! Making pretty short work of that. It's a little hard to see here. Sorry about the focus. Camera's doing its own thing. But man, this little nozzle it's pretty easy to get in here and it's picking up. Man, it's pretty powerful. Better than the vacuums that I better shut this off. This is definitely sucking better than the vacuum actually provided at my local car wash. So it's going to be a lot easier to do this on demand at home and do a better job, I think. So check it out. Like I said, only 50 bucks for this. And I love the small form factor and that stainless steel construction. Link is in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.